Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sadia and in today's video I am going to review this planner from the Positive store. So I received this planner just I think yesterday, and I thought of unboxing it and showing you guys what all it has in it. So let's get into the video right now. And it came with a handwritten note. I found it really cute, and this is a book, and yes, this is the planner, and I am going to quickly unwrap it. This is how the planner looks like. I think the teal color is really pretty, and this planner is called the Positive Planner. So this is like an index, so whatever pages are there in the planner, you can just find it over here. There are page numbers written. So these are some introductory pages. There are some self-introspectory questions written over here, some questions, some goal related questions. So you can start off by writing these questions, the answers to these questions, and this will be like a really nice start. Then there's this page regarding Ikigai, basically the purpose in life, your purpose in life. So there are two pages, you can write about it. It's like a really nice read. So initially when you read these pages, answer these questions, it will be really amazing. So this is the vision board. So basically whatever vision you have for your future, whatever goals you have, you can stick pictures of it or write it down, and yes, it's really interesting. Now the next page is about goals. So whatever goals you have in life, you can just make a note of it, and it has some really amazing points to note down, like milestones, action tasks, and everything. Making a note of your goals and checking on your milestones and whatever action tasks they are, I think it really helps you in achieving your goals even faster. So now I'll show you all each month. So this is how it's going to be. So on the left side you can write your goals, so health related goals, fun related goals, relationship related goals, career related goals. So goals can be written over here. Then over here you can write the top 3 outcomes of this month. So whatever 3 great things happen, you can write down here. There's a section to write down notes, and here there are dates. The best thing about this planner is that it is undated, so you don't really have to worry about which year you have to use this particular planner. So you can use it this year, next year, any particular year you can use it. And there's also a quote at the bottom for every month. So every month has a different quote, so you guys know how much I love writing quotes. So this is really nice. And then I'll show you all every week pages. So these 2 pages are for 1 week. Similarly, there are for every week. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. So you can write whatever you're grateful for, whatever goals you have. You can rate the particular week. There's a habit tracker, so whatever habit you want to inculcate, you can just fill the spaces, and this is nice. And then what is the main outcome of this week, your goal. So this is weekly spread. Okay, so this is a monthly spread, and inside there are weekly spreads. So for each particular day you can write the date, and then you can continue. So that's nice. Then there's another section to write notes. At the end of every month, there's also 2 pages for monthly review. So you can write down whatever you did the best, whatever achievements you had, your biggest lessons, everything. It has some really good questions to answer to, and trust me, really amazing. So there's also one, you can also rate your month, and at the end it also has a section where you can write what would I remember this month for after 5 years. Similarly, monthly spreads are there for every other month similarly. And yes, then there are some really wonderful pages at the back. I'll just show you all, just a second. Yeah, so this is the end for the December month. Okay, this is the end, and then it has some coloring pages. like adult coloring pages. So if you guys don't know, coloring, sketching or coloring or just filling these gaps and all can help in de-stressing. So it's a really nice habit or something to really do. It's like a nice thing to do. It will help you in relaxing, trust me. See these pages. So many pages it has. Now then comes this page. This page is for taking a decision. Now for example, there's some huge decision and you are having some doubts whether you should do it or not. So it has like an entire page dedicated to taking decisions. So it will help you in taking decisions. Like you can write the pros, the cons for it. How do you feel about the situation? What is the situation? What is the best case scenario, worst case scenario? What is the final decision you take? What are the next steps you want to take, whether it's a yes or a no for the decision. So yes, it's really nice. I mean, the thought that is put behind making this entire book is really amazing. I am actually very impressed by the amount of hard work that is put behind this. Just look at this. Everything is there in this book, like literally everything. Whatever I want is here. Now then, there are some positive tasks. It also has a list of positive tasks if you're feeling low, so you can do these things. It has like a really nice list of tasks. So I'll just read 5 of these, like hug 3 friends or family members today, eat your food mindfully and be curious about each flavor, give a high five to a small child or a stranger, learn 3 new words today, create a focused music playlist to avoid procrastination. I think it's wonderful. These tasks are really amazing. And then comes the bucket list of the year. So whatever bucket list you have, like whatever you want to do, like travel to this country or do this or do that, you can write it over here and it will be there in your book and it will be really nice. Then comes these pages, $1 million ideas. So whatever idea it may be, big or small, you can just throw it out over here on this page and it will be amazing. Don't you think so? So yes, it has some empty pages which you can use. Then comes another page, interesting people I've met. So whoever you have met, people who resonated with you, whom you connect with really well and who are interesting. So you can just make a note of these too. I mean, it's really nice when you look at this book, not only this book but for any diary for that matter. If you look at it after years, trust me, reading all this will be so much fun. Some empty pages which you can use. Then life lessons to tell the world. So whatever life lessons you have learned, be it anything, you can write it down over here. It's a nice way for journaling. You can make a note of everything and you will just feel amazing after years when you look at it. Then some notes, whatever you want to note, you can note it over here. Yes, that's it. And yes, in the end there's a note. There's a page. And yes, and that's not it. That's not the only thing that this planner has. It has a lot of other things inside this as well. Wait, I'll just show you all. So look at these. These are some stickers. So you can use it while journaling as well. You can just take it off and then stick it. Then there are these stickers as well. For birthdays you can use this, for heart you can use this, for restaurants you can use this, brooming you can use this, question mark, for travel you can use this. It has everything. For studies you can use this. So it's nice. It will actually make the entire process even more fun. So this is nice. And then it also has these cards, these gold cards. So I am happy and grateful that, and you can write it down over here. And these are some kind of award cards. So the most beautiful soul award goes to this, so you can give it to your friends. It has a lot of these, like the best mentor award goes to. It's like really fun. I mean, it has so many small gifts along with this entire planner. It's amazing. This is also a bookmark. Yes, it also comes with a sticker, this is their logo, then this is a small diary. So yes, it's fun. So many things they have sent. It's a really amazing planner, I believe. Yes, and this also has bookmark, like a three bookmarks, and it also has a pen holder, so you can also put a pen in here. So everything is in this. I mean, so amazing it is. And you can just put it like this and it's done. It's a huge book. If you see, it has a lot of pages. So yeah, you can find the link to this planner in the description box. And yes, and also you can use my coupon code to get extra 10% discount on the Positive Stores website. So do check it out. Bye.